Day trading versus investing. What's the better choice? Imagine this. You're scrolling through social media and see an ad. It's someone claiming they turned $500 into $5,000 in a week, day trading. They're on a yacht, sipping champagne, making it look effortless. Tempting, isn't it? But how does this compare to traditional investing? What are the risks, the rewards, and the realities? So in today's video, we're going to break down the key differences between day trading and investing, uncover the pros and cons of each, and help you decide which one, if either, is right for you. Hi, and welcome to the channel. My name is Greg Hardy, and here we focus on simple, everyday personal finance topics and tips that are designed to help you take control of your money and work towards financial freedom. So if you're all about growing your wealth and making smarter financial moves, take a second to hit that like button and subscribe. I feel like the greatest compliment that I can receive on YouTube is for you to subscribe to this channel. Thank you. Let's break this down simply. Since I have over 20 years of real estate experience, I like to use the following analogy for those of you who are familiar with real estate, but maybe not so much with stocks. Day trading versus long-term investing is a lot like flipping houses versus buying rental properties to hold. Day trading, like flipping, focuses on quick, short-term gains. You're constantly buying and selling, trying to time the market and capitalize on rapid changes, but it comes with higher risks and stress. Long-term investing, on the other hand, is a lot like buying rental properties. You're in it for the steady, predictable growth over time, letting the value build while earning passive income or dividends in stocks or rent in real estate. Both approaches can work, but the best choice depends on what your goals are, your risk tolerance is, and how much time you're willing to commit. Day trading is when people buy and sell things like stocks or crypto quickly. They might hold on to them for just a few minutes or hours, hoping to make money from the small price changes. It's a fast and risky way to try and make a profit, and it requires a lot of focus and quick decisions. Investing is much slower. It's about buying things like stocks, real estate, or bonds and keeping them for a long period of time, maybe even years. The goal is to let them grow in value over time and make money through things like interest, dividends, or rising prices. So day trading is like sprinting, and investing is more like running a marathon. One is about speed and the other is about patience. Timing is what makes day trading and investing so different. Investing is like planting a tree. You take the time to prepare the soil, plant the seed, and then patiently care for it as it grows. Over time, your hard work pays off as the tree will hopefully produce fruit. In the same way, when you invest, you're buying something like stocks or real estate with the idea that it will grow in value over many years. For example, if you buy shares in a company, you're trusting that the company will grow its profits, come up with new innovative ideas, and succeed over the long term. You're focused on the future and willing to wait for the rewards. Day trading, on the other hand, is more like surfing. You're constantly scanning the market like you're watching the waves, trying to spot the right opportunity to jump in. A day trader might buy a stock early in the morning, watch the price move for a few hours, and then sell it before the day is even over, hoping to make a profit. They aren't thinking about what that stock might be worth years down the road. They only care about how much they can gain in the moment. The timing for these two approaches couldn't be more different. An investor might hold on to a stock or a piece of real estate for 10 or even 20 years, waiting for it to increase in value. By contrast, a day trader might buy and sell 10 different stocks in a single day, constantly moving in and out of positions based on tiny price changes. While investors rely on time and patience, day traders rely on speed and timing. Another big difference between day traders and investors is how they analyze opportunities. Investors focus on the value of a company itself. They want to understand the business, what it sells, how strong its finances are, how it stacks up against its competitors, and how much it could grow in the future. When an investor buys a stock, it's like buying a piece of the company because they believe in its long-term success. They're not just betting on what the stock is worth today. They're thinking about what it could be worth years down the road as the company grows and succeeds. Traders, on the other hand, don't focus on the company's long-term value. They care about price movements, how the stock is behaving right now. Traders use tools like charts, graphs, and past price data to look for patterns and trends that might help them predict short-term changes. It doesn't matter to them if the company makes electric cars or potato chips, as long as the stock price is moving in a way that they can take advantage of. For investors, success comes from the growth and success of the company they've invested in. For traders, success comes from understanding and reacting to the behavior of the market. It's the difference between believing in the big picture and riding the ups and downs of the moment. When it comes to potential rewards, day trading and investing couldn't be any more different. Day trading offers the chance for significant profits, but it also is one of the riskiest ways to navigate the stock market. The fast-paced nature of trading means small losses can quickly add up, especially when you factor in trading fees, taxes, and the constant need to monitor the market. According to The Motley Fool, it's estimated that around 95% of day traders lose money. Most amateur traders find themselves at a disadvantage, competing against seasoned professionals armed with advanced tools, large research teams, and years of expertise. It's like bringing a water gun to a firefight. Investing, on the other hand, is much less risky, especially if you spread out your investments and think long term. The stock market might go up and down in the short run, but history shows it has steadily risen over the last century. By putting your money into things like index funds or strong, reliable companies, you're betting on the overall growth of the economy. It's a slower and steadier approach, but it is one that has helped many people build lasting wealth over time. In short, day trading is for those who thrive on risks and quick decisions, while investing rewards patience and the big picture mindset. So which one is right for you, day trading or investing? It really depends on your goals, your personality, and how much risk you're comfortable with taking. If you enjoy fast-paced action, don't mind spending hours researching, and can handle the ups and downs of losing money, day trading might be something to try. But keep in mind, it's not a hobby, it's more like a full-time job that demands constant attention and a willingness to take big risks. If you're thinking about day trading, I highly recommend to start with a virtual account to practice before putting real money on the line. Now, on the other hand, if you'd rather take a steady, hands-off approach, investing is probably the way to go. You can start small, focus on spreading your money across different investments to reduce risks, and let time and compounding do the work for you. If you're new to investing, consider starting with an index fund like the S&P 500, ticker symbols SPY, SPLG, or VOO. They all mimic the S&P 500, and historically, the S&P 500 has returned on average of 10% annually over decades, proving the long value of long-term investing. It's diversified and doesn't require you to pick individual stocks. This is a great way to reduce risk and keep it simple. This strategy is about patience, not chasing quick wins. For most people, investing tends to be the smarter choice. It's less stressful, more predictable, and doesn't require you to track the market every minute. So whether you're saving for retirement or building long-term wealth, investing is a simple, reliable path to grow your money over time. Day trading can be incredibly stressful. The constant pressure to make quick decisions, track market changes, and manage wins and losses can take a mental toll. Burnout and decision fatigue are common, especially when you're glued to your screen for hours on end. When emotions are running high, it's easy to make mistakes, which can lead to even more frustration. To manage this, it's important to set limits, take breaks, and avoid trading when you're feeling emotional or exhausted. Long-term investing has its own psychological challenges. It requires patience and the ability to stay calm during market dips. Watching your portfolio drop in value can be pretty nerve-wracking, but successful investors focus on the big picture and trust their plan. Avoid checking your investments too often and remind yourself that time and consistency are your greatest tools. Whether you're trading or investing, staying emotionally balanced and sticking to your strategy is going to be your key to financial success. Day trading comes with higher tax burdens because short-term gains are taxed as regular income, which could put you in a higher tax bracket. This means that the profits you make from quick trades might be reduced significantly by taxes. To minimize this impact, consider setting aside a portion of your earnings for taxes and keeping detailed records of your trades to maximize deductions like trading expenses. Long-term investing, on the other hand, is more tax-friendly. Gains on investments held for over a year are taxed at lower long-term capital gains rates, which can save you money. You could also reduce your tax bill by using tax-advantaged accounts like IRAs or 401ks, where investments grow tax-deferred or even tax-free. By focusing on holding investments for the long term and taking advantage of these accounts, you're going to be able to keep more of your hard-earned money. At the end of the day trading and investing aren't mutually exclusive. Some people do both, using trading as a way to generate extra income while building long-term wealth through investing. But here's the thing. If you're new to the market, focus on investing first. Build a strong foundation with a diversified portfolio and only experiment with trading once you've done your homework and can afford the risk. Both day trading and investing have their place, but they require different skills, mindsets, and goals. If you're someone who loves the thrill of fast decisions and is willing to take the time to study the market trends, day trading might excite you. But for most people, investing is the safer and smarter option for building long-term wealth. Remember, wealth isn't just about how fast you can make money, it's about how well you can grow and keep it. The most important thing is to take action. Whether you start small by investing $10 a week or dive into learning about day trading, the key is to keep learning and stay consistent. Financial success doesn't happen overnight, but with the right mindset and strategy, you can set yourself up for a more secure and prosperous future. If you want to learn more about growing your wealth, then check out this video right here. But before you do that, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank y'all so much for watching. I really hope you liked this video and that you got something out of it. I'll see you in the next one.